Why do you get infinity in JavaScript math? Have you ever wondered why you see infinity when working with numbers in JavaScript? It can be quite surprising, especially if you are new to programming. Let's break down what causes this and how it fits into the world of arithmetic operators and core JavaScript concepts. In JavaScript, infinity is a special numeric constant. It represents a value that is greater than any finite number. This can happen when a calculation exceeds the largest number that JavaScript can handle, or when you divide by 0. JavaScript uses a standard called IEEE 750 for four-number representation. This standard has a maximum finite value, which is known as number, max value. When you perform a calculation that goes beyond this limit, JavaScript responds with infinity. For example, if you try to calculate 10 raised to the power of 1000, you will get infinity because that number is simply too large to representing. Another common situation that leads to infinity is division by 0. In traditional mathematics, dividing by 0 is undefined. However, in JavaScript, if you divide a positive number by 0, it returns infinity. Conversely, if you divide a negative number by 0, you will get negative infinity. This behavior allows JavaScript to manage extreme cases without throwing errors during arithmetic operations. Infinity behaves in a predictable manner when you use it in comparisons or arithmetic. For instance, infinity is always greater than any finite number. So, if you check if infinity is greater than 1 times 10 to the power of 308, that will return true. If you add or multiply infinity by any positive finite number, the result will still be infinity. On the other hand, if you divide a finite number by infinity, the result will be 0. Interestingly, infinity is equal to itself, meaning infinity equals infinity is true. JavaScript also has negative infinity, which represents the smallest possible numeric value. This is less than any other number. Understanding how infinity works is important for mastering JavaScript, especially when using arithmetic operators. For practical applications, you can use infinity as a starting point when searching for maximum or minimum values in an array. By initializing a variable to negative infinity, you ensure that any real number will be larger and can update the maximum correctly. It is also wise to check for infinite results in your calculations. This helps avoid incorrect results or allows you to handle errors gracefully. Knowing that operations resulting in infinity may indicate an overflow or division by 0 is essential for writing robust code. In summary, infinity in JavaScript is a built-in constant that represents values beyond the largest finite number or results from division by 0. It integrates seamlessly with JavaScript's arithmetic operators and comparison logic, making it a fundamental concept for anyone working with numbers in web development.